So I bought a bunch of shit from Toyota. Bought a new lens for the taillight. Bought a control arm. And I bought a bunch of bolts from Toyota as well. So it's a whole bunch of hardware that I had to cut and replace with Toyota stuff. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff from Toyota, all this stuff, OEM stuff. So it's reassembled correctly, and I don't got to worry about finding cheap bolts from the hardware store. So I'm gonna put that control arm on, and then we'll see. Move it around a little bit. I'm tired of seeing it in that particular spot. It's getting a little old. So looking forward for that in the next hour. I don't know if you can see that, but that's around the money. Shove a cotter pin and we good. So I think I've encountered an issue where I only got one pad for that particular side. I did get rid of my scrap bin, and I think I might have thrown one of the pads in the bin. Luckily, I found a pair for 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go and pick it up. And these rotors trill slide don't look that bad. So I got my pads, brand new. They're decent pads from the highest. I'm not just half-assing, I'm actually going to replace both of them. I already did. The one that I lost parts for, that's all back together. Looks lovely with new parts. I'm definitely going to put newer coilovers on it. These are just my spare ones from the other MR2. I'll put these pads on this and call it a day. Alrighty, they're on. The wheels back on. It's great. Oh, that's very pleasant. So I got the other tires mounted, so I got all 4 originals to match. In the meantime, I will pick up the rear end. Here it's taken apart, put as much pieces back together, and restore as many body parts as I can. I already got the front, so I'm gonna take care of the back too as well. So I'm just stoked that it's on the ground on all 4 wheels. Straight as shit. I'm gonna start it up and yeah. Next goal is to replace the lens with this new one. I may have to epoxy this ear tag and back in place, but it shouldn't be that bad. That was insanely easy. I just literally slapped it on and it clipped in place. Just make sure that the little gasket inside, make sure it gets a good seal, or you have humidity inside. Other than that, so the lens is like $28 fucking. The taillight kit's like 600 bucks. Now I gotta take this bolt out, straighten this out. So a good thing I'm taking off the bumper.